Namaste and welcome to today's YouTube video about Jetpur Saree Udyog. Jetpur Saree Udyog is a well-known name in the textile industry. They are based in Jetpur, a small town in Gujarat, India. Jetpur Saree Udyog has been in the business of manufacturing and selling sarees for over 40 years. They have a wide range of sarees, including bandana sarees, printed sarees, and embroidery saree. Jetpur Saree Udyog's sarees are known for their quality and design. Their sarees are made with high-quality materials and the designs are unique and trendy. They have a team of skilled designers who create new designs and patterns regularly to keep up with the latest fashion trend. Jetpur Saree Udyog is not only popular in India but also internationally. They export their sarees to countries like the USA, UK, Australia, and many others. They have built a strong reputation in the international market for their quality and unique designs. If you are a wholesaler or a retailer looking to buy sarees in bulk, Jetpur Saree Udyog is the perfect place for you. They offer wholesale prices and have a wide range of sarees to choose from. You can contact them directly to place your order. Jetpur Saree Udyog also offers customization services. If you have a specific design or pattern in mind, they can create it for you. They work closely with their customers to understand their requirements and deliver customized sarees that meet their expectations. In conclusion, Jetpur Saree Udyog is a trusted name in the textile industry. They offer high-quality sarees with unique designs at affordable prices. Whether you are a wholesaler or a retailer, you can trust Jetpur Saree Udyog for your saree needs. To place your order or learn more about their products and services, contact them directly. Thank you for watching today's video.